Let us explore another type of problem in graphing transformation in this example. If the range of the function f is interval -2 to 3, including -2 but not including 3, then find the range of the function g, which is equal to negative of f of x plus 1 plus 3. So let's be reminded that if the range of the function is the interval -2 to 3, it means that this -2, 3, these are the y values. And then when we know that the function is shifted 1 unit to the left, we know that the change is in x. So meaning there's no effect in y. And then this negative in this function y, so we know that the reflection, this is reflection about the x-axis. And the effect in the function is multiplying negative in the y. So it means this range, if we multiply -1 in y, since these are y values, so if we will multiply that, so it will give us +2 and a -3. But then this is not the proper way of writing it because -3 is smaller than 2. So we have to interchange the position. So it will be -3, comma, +2, -3 not included, and 2 included. So this is the effect when we have a reflection about the x or multiplying negative in the y. So it's not only multiplying the y with negative but also interchanging their position. Because when you multiply by negative, this negative will be positive and this positive will be negative. So you have to interchange. And then the last transformation is that we're adding 3 means we are adding 3 in y because the transformation here is shifting 3 units up. So since this is y values, so if we will add 3, so this interval, adding 3 in y, so it will give us -3 plus 3 is 0, and then 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is now the range of the function f, of the function g. For example 2, if the domain of the function f is interval 1 to 7, where 1 is included but 7 is not included, then find the domain of the function g, which is equal to f of x minus 3 plus 5. So take note that the domain represents the x values. So 1 to 7 are x values. And then in this function g with transformation f of x minus 3 plus 5, we know that this x, when replaced by x minus 3, there's a shift horizontally 3 units to the right. So it means the effect in the function is we will add 3 in x. So adding 3 in x, since these are x values, if we add 3, so 1 plus 3 will be 4, and 7 plus 3, it will give us 10. So this is the new domain of the function for f of x minus 3. And then next is adding 5. But this adding 5 is adding 5 in the y function, meaning there is no effect in x. No effect in x. Because the transformation is the graph is shifted 5 units upward. So the domain of this f of x minus 3 plus 5 is from 4 to 10. For the last example, suppose that the x-intercepts of the graph of y equal to f of x are -5 and 3. What are the x-intercepts of the graph f of -x? So we know that x-intercepts are x values, which are -5 and 3. So to find for the x-intercepts of the function f of negative x, we know that this negative x, there's a reflection about the y-axis, and the effect in the function is multiplying negative in x. So it means to say we will multiply negative 1 in negative 5, it will give us 5, and 3, when we multiply by negative, it will give us negative 3. So these are the x-intercepts of the function y equal to f of negative x, 5 and negative 3. That is the end of this video. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the future content.